Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mitisha. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this green beans Chinese style stir fry. It is very low in calorie, healthy and full of nutrition. So without wasting any time, let's get started with our recipe. I'm going to start off by prepping my green beans. So here I have washed and pat dry all my beans, and now what I'm doing is I'm just chopping the edge off and cutting them into the size I want. You can cut it whatever size you prefer. Green beans are good for your health, really low in calorie, and tender green beans has good amount vitamin C, fiber, vitamin K, and many more beneficial nutrients. So you should include in your diet if you can. And if you're not so much fan of green beans, then I tell you, if you follow this recipe, you will fall in love with these green beans. Here I'm boiling water to boil our green beans. Into this I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt and let this come to a boil. And water is about to be boiled, so I'm going to drop in all my green beans and let this come to a boil. And now I'm going to boil these green beans for about 5 to 6 minutes or until they get nice and tender. So this is after 5.5 minutes of boiling. I'm going to take them out and add it into a cold water here, so that way they can retain their green color, as you can see. Giving the ice water bath is completely optional. If you don't want to, you can completely skip it. This will help to keep the green color on them. And here I have drained them. I'm going to quickly pat dry them so I can take out the excess water, and then we will start stir frying them. Here I'm using white pan, but if you have wok, definitely use a wok. That's much convenient. And into this pan I'm going to add a little bit of oil. All the ingredients I will be using and measurement for them will be listed in the description box, so you can check it out over there. Now I have added garlic, minced garlic, into this oil. I'll add ginger, minced ginger. Once the garlic and ginger is turned light brown, I will be adding all my cooked green beans in it and give it a quick stir. Let this stir fry for about a minute and a half. Now I will add soy sauce in it, sesame oil, chili flakes to make it spicy. Give it a stir again. You want to make sure the ginger garlic doesn't burn, so you have to keep on stirring in between. I'm going to add a very little amount of salt, as we already have added into the boiling water, so we can completely skip it, but I do like a little salty, so I'm going to add it. But you can also give it a taste and see if it needed, or you can completely skip it. It's up to you, so adjust it according to your preference. Now I'm going to add prepared cornstarch water. So I have taken a teaspoon of cornstarch and have added about 2 teaspoons of water and mix it up, and that's how it's gonna look. And I have added, as you can see, about a teaspoon and a half into it. Very little amount you need it. You can skip it, but this will give rice nice thick coating to it. And if you can see, all the garlic and all the seasoning will start sticking to green beans. Now I'm going to add sugar. Give it a stir, and now you want to cook this on high flame about a minute and a half, or until you see the sugar is nicely melted. I have used white sugar, but you can definitely use brown sugar. Sugar will give really nice shine to these green beans. And now finally I'm going to sprinkle some sesame seed on top. And our green beans are almost ready to serve. Time to serve our delicious garlicky, spicy, and look at the sweet and sour flavor. Green beans are ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to support to my channel, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to watch all other videos listed right here, and like this video and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.